Most people get cloud storage services wrong because they focus only on space and ignore usability, security, and speed. Today, we're doing an honest review of Yandex Disk and what you need to know before using it. Yandex Disk is a cloud storage platform from Russia's Yandex company. It offers free and paid plans, and it's designed for file storage, sharing, and backup. The free plan comes with 10 GB of storage, which is decent for casual users. Paid plans start around $2 per month for 100 GB and scale up depending on your needs. Most people get this wrong by assuming free storage is too limited. It's actually enough for documents, photos, and light file backup. The surprising truth about Yandex Disk is its integration with Yandex services. If you use Yandex Mail or Yandex Browser, the experience is seamless with easy file saving and retrieval. There's also a desktop app for Windows and Mac OS, which allows you to sync files automatically, similar to Google Drive or Dropbox. Mobile apps are also available for iOS and Android, making it convenient to access your files on the go. Security is solid. Files are encrypted during transfer, and you can enable two-factor authentication for your account. However, unlike some Western providers, Yandex Disk servers are located primarily in Russia, which may be a consideration depending on your privacy needs. Sharing files is straightforward. You can generate public links for documents, photos, or videos, and set access permissions. Most people overlook this feature, but it's useful for collaboration without needing email attachments. The platform also supports online document viewing, so recipients don't need a Yandex account to access files. One downside is that upload and download speeds can vary depending on your location. Users outside Russia sometimes report slower transfers compared to global services like Google Drive or Dropbox. However, for everyday personal or light business use, it's generally reliable. In conclusion, Yandex Disk is a solid cloud storage option if you need an easy-use platform with decent free storage and good sharing capabilities. Most people get it wrong by judging it only on storage size, but its integration, security, and file management make it a strong choice. Subscribe for more honest tech reviews so you can make smart choices about your digital tools.